Want to make a chart like this? Select the data. Go to the Insert tab. Choose 2D Clustered Column Chart. Delete the title and grid lines. Go to the Insert tab again. Go to Icons. Search People. Insert this icon of a person. Copy and paste. On the right icon, change the graphic fill color to No Fill. Change the graphic outline to red. On the left icon, change the graphic fill to red. Press Ctrl X. Click the blue chart and paste with Ctrl V. Press Ctrl X again. Click the orange chart and Ctrl V. Right-click the left solid red icon. Go to Format Data Series. Change Series Overlap to 100% and Gap Width to 0%. Go to the Fill tab and click Stack and Scale With. Change the values and watch the chart change.
Click anywhere inside your data. Press Alt HFE. Ask a question about your data. Insert the pivot chart. Now you have an instant summary without needing to know Excel. Don't separate data to columns like this. Press Ctrl E. The more examples provided, the more accurate the results will be. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop fixing text one of these 3 ways. Instead, boom, done. Stop formatting your data like this. Instead, press Ctrl T to format as a table. You'll thank us later. 3 ways to format dates using the text function. Try them out for yourself. I used to make barcodes like this. But then I learned a better way. Enter this formula. Drag the formula down. Search Libre Barcode 39 text in the fonts library. Ready for scanning. Like and follow for daily tips. Step 1. Select the data. Or press Ctrl+A. Step 2. Go to Insert tab and select PivotTable. Choose New or Existing Worksheet. We'll pick Existing Worksheet and choose a cell. To place the pivot table. Step 3. Choose from the fields to start creating your pivot table. Like and follow for daily tips. 99.9% of people extract names like this. The other 0.01% do this. This extracts all text before the hyphen. Easy as pie. Stop summing every cell one by one. Instead, press Alt equals to AutoSum. AutoSum doesn't just work on singular columns, it also works on rows. Select multiple rows and columns to add them up at once. AutoSum rocks! counting text from a list. Try this instead. Select the range to count from. Press F to lock the range. Select the word to count within the range. Drag down. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't filter data like this. Filter like this instead. Select all of the data. Select the column of prices. Type less than 100 to filter only gifts under $100. Like and follow for daily tips. Need to shift rows up or columns over. First, select the row. Then hold Shift and drag from the outer green border. The same can be done with columns. Just hold Shift and drag. Like and follow for daily tips. Here's an Excel tip that'll impress your boss. Select the data. Press Alt and F1 to insert a chart. Right-click and change the chart type. Choose the 3D stacked column chart. Double-click the chart. Choose these options. Click the orange portions. Select cylinder. Change the depth and width to 100%. Change the color to white and set the transparency to somewhere around 60%. Select the blue portions. Change the color to yellow. Add data labels to include the percentage remaining. Now you have a working cylinder chart. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop splitting text like this. Instead, use this formula. Each comma represents a new column. Underscore is a new row. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't draw check marks anymore. Instead, select some cells. Go to the Insert tab. Click Checkbox. Check the boxes as desired. Type in this formula. Like and follow for daily tips. I caught the intern inserting these images. So I showed him this. Go to the web. Copy the image address. Paste it in Excel. Then type in this function. Copy down as needed. Like and follow for daily tips. Type this formula in Google Sheets. Type in the URL for any RSS feed. 1 equals headers on. Like and follow for daily tips. My boss told me to subtotal our sales by product. I told him that would take me the rest of the day. But I really did this? Press Alt plus A plus B. Change this to product. Use function equals sum. Add subtotal to sales amount. Check summary below data. Press OK. Click 2. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't do this. Instead, do this. Type in a logical test. Value if true equals 1. Value if false equals 0. Drag and drop to autofill the remaining cells. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't some data like this. Instead, use GroupBy. Select the product column, then select the sales column. Type sum. Like and follow for daily tips. Enter this formula in G-Sheets. Select the text to translate. Type N for English and S for Spanish. Copy the formula down. Quickly change to any target language. Like and follow for daily tips. How to create a progress tracker in 30 seconds. Press Alt NCB. Check the boxes. Type in this formula. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop expanding cells like this. Do it like this instead. Press Ctrl A, Alt HOA, Alt HOI. Like and follow for daily tips. Quit extracting names like this. Do it like this instead. Right-click and drag down. Click Flash Fill. Right-click and drag down. Click Flash Fill. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't do this. Do this instead. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop grading like this. Grade like this instead. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop manually entering data from paper. Instead, go to the Excel mobile app. Open a blank workbook. Tap the lower left icon. Tap the picture icon. Snap a clear picture of your data. Crop if necessary. Tap Confirm. Tap Insert. Review and open the data. Like and follow for daily tips. I caught my coworker copying and pasting web data like this. But I told him there was an easier way. Just copy the web address. Open Excel and get data from web. Paste the URL. Select the right table and load it. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't do this. Instead, double-click Format Painter. Click anywhere to auto-highlight other rows. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't comb through data like this. Instead, select the data. Lookup value equals the value to look up. Lookup array equals the column containing the lookup value. 0 equals exact match. column num equals the column number of the result. Change the name and let index plus match do the rest. Like and follow for daily tips.